Hey you guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to be testing out the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Proven to Last for 24 Hours foundation. Why have I never tried this? You guys, I have never, ever tried this. I have wanted to. This is one of these foundations that I always think about, and then for whatever reason, I don't try it, and then I hear from you guys that it is one of your must-haves, and I hear from other people that this is one of the best long-wear foundations, and you guys know I'm all about not touching up my makeup. I'm all about a good long-wear product, so we're gonna give it a go. It is a medium to full coverage and matte finish. This is the bottle right here. I'm hoping to God this is the right shade. Let's just like cross our fingers. What in the hell is that? My body is kind of more tan than my face right now. I'm gonna go with that excuse and still use the product. This is something I ordered and clearly I ordered incorrectly. I recently tried out the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Flawless Wear Concealer. You guys, I love this product, especially for highlighting because I always get crinkly and cakey right in between my eyes, but I still like to highlight this area, but it's hard to find a product that doesn't want to sit on top of my skin, especially if you already have foundation on, and this is the only concealer. Tarte Shape Tape does not even provide you with the luminous, moisturizing, but full coverage matte finish gorgeousness of this concealer. So loving this concealer as much as I do has made me want to try this product right here. I do also have the Set and Refresh Perfecting Makeup Mist because why not? More is more. Let's try this out as well. And I'm just gonna scooch you guys in and we're gonna apply this magical, life-transforming foundation. Can you imagine? This has been around since I started my channel. If it took me 7 years to find my favorite foundation, it was just like kind of over here the whole time, that would be my look. All right, let's find out if that is the case. I'm gonna go in with a little stamping action on the face and try to really build up some coverage. Yeah, that's a lot darker than I had imagined. I think I tried to match up to the concealer. I'm using light, medium, cool. I don't know. It is hard to shade match online. I think we all know that. Really, Tati. This does say that it's not gonna change color, that it won't oxidize, so we're gonna be able to tell. Because if this changes to a darker situation, we're gonna have a problem. It's going on so nice. Like it blends really, really well. I mean, dear Lord, my skin underneath is a completely different color and it's just like not letting any of that skin through, which I really like so much. Oh my God. You guys, this is going on like a miraculous dream come true. Where has this been my whole life? Oh my God. Why didn't I try this sooner? No exaggeration, this is one of the most beautiful foundations I have tried in a very long time. If this pairs well with the rest of my makeup, I think I'm gonna love it. I definitely think I want an undertone that is not so yellow. I don't even mind the richness of it because my body has self-tanner on it. I am a little bit darker than my face. My face I protect from the sun like no matter what, but I do tan very, very easily. So I do tend to be darker on the body than my face. And I don't mind matching it up, but this is just a little yellow for me. So I'd like something a little more beige. But my goodness, it feels great. I feel like my pores are very minimized. I did use my Tarte Clean Slate Primer today, and I'm into this. I'm gonna put on some of their concealer and just pat that in. I'm sure it's gonna apply beautifully with this product. Wow. Wow. Ow. Oh my God, crash boom. So everything set beautifully underneath the eyes. I'm gonna take a little powder from my Shade Light Contour Kit from Kat Von D and just make sure that that concealer does not crease. Gorgeous, love it. I am going to finish up the rest of my face and I will be right back. Aside from the fact that this foundation is just a little bit yellow for me, I am going to explore different shades. But aside from that, you guys, I love, 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 love how this is looking on my skin. It is definitely a very sticky, tacky type of a dry down, but not in a bad way. It's in a way where I feel like this really is going to be locked into place. Like, you know, when you're full glam and you just feel like everything is just locked in and you can feel that you're wearing makeup, but it feels good. Like you're wearing makeup in a good, fresh, kind of a good way, if that makes sense. Like sometimes when you put on too much makeup, it almost feels like meltdown, greasy, heavy. That's not what this feels like, but it still feels like I'm wearing makeup. Okay, moving on from there. I do feel like everything blended out really evenly. It dries down. It does not transfer. So like if you're, moving things around on your face, like it does not pick up and move at all. It is on there. So we're locked in tight. I am going to set the face with a little bit of this setting spray that I've been curious about. What's magic about this? Huh? Oh. This face spray is energized with electrolytes and caffeine. So apparently I need caffeine in my setting spray now too. All right, so this is something you can use throughout the day to kind of refresh the skin. Sometimes with more long wear products, you want to do that if they start to look a little bit heavy. It's a great trick to kind of bring everything back to life. So I'm gonna give this a good go. Ooh, smells lovely. It smells very perfumey. Okay, we're gonna wear this all day long, see how it goes. I'm picking up my sister from the airport in a few minutes, and so I'll get her opinion too, but we will wear this all day, and I will sit down at the very end of it, of course, and give you the final update of how long wearing this 24-hour foundation truly is. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right guys, so I'm gonna keep eyes on the road, and I have my sister who has the camera. Larissa's behind the camera. Just like say hi.
Hi guys.
I just picked her up and we're in really awful traffic. It's really fun. But yeah, I wanted to ask you, how's my foundation?
Well, so far, from what I've seen, sitting next to you in the car, it looks really good.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I really like it.
It looks a little heavy, just like a tiny bit, right? Just a tiny bit.
Well, I'd have to see up close, but from here, well, it looks pretty good.
My husband hates it.
Oh, really? Why?
Yeah, he thinks that the color is wrong, which I kind of think the color is a little wrong. That was my bad, but he was like, your head is orange. I'm like, thank you. That's amazing. Thanks so much, honey. I love you. Why are you laughing?
I'm gonna show you this.
Oh my God, show me right now. Stop it. Stop it. Wait, what the hell is that? I'm so confused. Oh, ew! Ew, you are nasty.
No, it's
Oh my God, this is actually like my worst nightmare right here. I hate feet so much. I don't know why. I just, ugh. Oh my God, ew. Feet holding other feet, like holding hands. It's nasty.
good.
All right. All right, you guys, it is now the very end of the day, and I bet you couldn't tell because my makeup. All right, you guys, it is now the very end of the day, but I bet you couldn't tell because I feel like I'm still looking so fresh. You guys, this might be my new favorite foundation. I'm liking it even more than the Laura Mercier. Like, my mind is blown. I need to get a few different shades because this wore like the, full glam spackle of my dreams. Like, I love it. I look like a mannequin. Like, you can't see my pores. You can't see any discoloration. It doesn't look like real skin, but I'm okay with that. It gives you a very full glam feel and finish. So if you are into that, then dang, this foundation lives up to the hype. I want to see if I wear it over time, if it does cause any type of a reaction, just because it is so budge proof. I'm kind of like, what is in here that is doing that? But I'm really, really happy with how we have ended this video. I'm kind of blown away. The only thing that I would do different in the future is I would probably do my trick where I add 1 drop of some type of a beauty oil and mix it in with the foundation just to give it a little bit more luminosity, because this can be a little bit drying. You can definitely take down that dryness with a little bit of a setting spray and then you look great. So it's kind of, yeah, I mean, I can't really find much wrong with it. It didn't oxidize down any further. There's no blotchiness. It didn't collect around my nose. I'm not even having any issue with smile lines. So for me, this is a freaking dream come true. Worth the buzz, worth the hype, totally amazed. And yeah, I think you get it by now. She likes the foundation. All right, so I'm gonna shut this video down. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today and trying out a very overhyped product. I would love to do more of these, so if there are things out there that I have not put to the test that aren't necessarily new launches, but things that you've heard a lot about, then just, you know, keep those requests coming, let me know, and I'm happy to do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, then hit the thumbs up button, because that's just a nice thing to do. So you can just find the thumbs up button, hit the like button, like it if you like it, and I'm out of here. All right, I love you guys so much. I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.